Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making crochet locs. So this one is a Faux locs. It's not the real one. It's attached to the hair. You can be taken down anytime you want to take it down, but you can wear this for a long time. You can just wash it and then just wear it for as long as you want, for 3 months or 6 months, depending on how long you want to wear it. So it's just easy to like attach to the hair. We already did some single braids on the clients, and then now go ahead to attach the first lock. So what I do here is I get the lock and I pass it through the hook, the crochet hook, and then I pass it through the client's hair, and then I use a kinky extension to wrap it so it looks good and protects the client's hair. So that's basically it. That's basically how we attach the first lock. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Thank you for watching. I do have a beautiful day.